Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to pack for a quick trip. So I'm going to be going on a trip for 3 days and 2 nights, and I just wanted to show you guys how I would pack for it. So everybody packs differently. I just want to show you guys how I would pack, or how I am packing. I try to go as minimal as possible, try not to bring too much clothes, because I know a bunch of us are like, I need these outfits just in case kind of thing. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I pack it. So here are the clothes that I'm gonna be bringing to the trip. So I try to go as minimal as possible. I'm only gonna be there for 3 days and 2 nights, and yeah, so let me just show you what I'm gonna be bringing. So here's the first outfit. I'm also gonna include pictures of what the outfits are gonna be like, and I have this crop top with these shorts, and to fold them, all I do, if they're like an outfit, I just fold them together like this, just so it's like compact and easier, and that's it. That's more for one outfit. Next is this maxi dress. I would unroll it, but it's very long and I already folded it, so I'm just gonna keep this folded, and this is gonna be what I'm gonna be wearing to the trip. So on the travel day, and we'll be at the lake, so I'm just gonna be wearing this as kind of like a cover up, and also my outfit of the whole day. So I have this, and this is gonna be the very last item I'm gonna be putting into my bag, just so that I can have it on top, so I can just switch into it when we're gonna leave. So I'm gonna put that aside. And then I also have these jogger shorts, and this is going to be paired with the black crop top that I showed you. And this is also going to be like my sleeping bottom, so it's like multifunctional. So I'm going to keep that, fold it away. And then lastly, I have my sleeping shirt that I'm just going to be wearing. I'm just going to bring one of these, and again, so here's could be like my pajamas, and then one outfit. So technically I have 1 outfit, 2 outfits, 3 outfits for every day that I'm out, and that's all I basically need. I don't need really much more. I always try to find pieces that I can wear like in other outfits, just so I'm not bringing literally separate outfits, just to minimize everything, since I'm only bringing a backpack. So that's this. And then for I already planned out my outfits. That's what you should do when you're doing your picking out your clothes, is literally plan out your outfits for what day you're gonna wear. I also check the weather beforehand. I should have said this before, but check the weather beforehand, just so you know what to prepare for. It's gonna be 100 degrees every single day, so I try to go for very light, loose clothes, so I'm not like sweating my butt and being irritated. And since I already planned my outfits, I know I'm gonna wear sneakers for probably 2 outfits, maybe 1, I don't know. But I brought 1 pair of socks, and my shoes are at the bottom, but I'll show you how I'm gonna be putting those away too. Now for lingerie. So I'm only gonna be bringing 2 bras. I don't really see the need to bring any more, but that's because I don't really like wearing bras. So I have my normal bra, and then I have a bralette. Sometimes I'll bring like a bandeau bra, but I think a bralette would suffice. So that's gonna go with my luggage. And then for my undies, I fold them in a special way. I do this at home too, so it's easier to grab and pack and stuff. So I have 2 undies for the 2 nights I will be there. And then for swimsuits, I do 1 top and 2 bottoms. The reason why I do 2 bottoms is because I feel like they're a little more, I don't know, like you really have to clean those before you re-wear them again. Since there's gonna be we're gonna be staying at a hotel, so we're gonna go to the pool, so I'd rather just have 2 separate bottoms, so I could have like a clean one. So I have 2 bottoms and 1 top, but if you guys are gonna be wearing like a 1 piece, I'd probably bring 2, just in case, if you don't have time to like wash one. So here's how I'm gonna be storing my lingerie basically. So this is gonna be my swimsuit bag. I always use these. These are from Clinique. This is from Clinique also. It comes like when you buy like a certain amount, and or when you spend a certain amount, then you get this bag, and it's like lined with like kind of like this, I don't know what this new material. It's like, but I use this as like so this is like my dry bag, and this is where I'm gonna put my bathing suit and also my 2 little undies, and they fit in there really well. It's not very big at all. See, like this, and it's not even that big. And then this is gonna be my wet bag, and again, it's the Clinique one, and it's like lined on the inside. So when I'm done at the beach, then I just throw it into here. It's all it stays all contained and doesn't get anything else wet, and it's like all in one place. So that's what's in these bags. Next, I have these 2 bags, and these are from Ipsy. I was subscribed to Ipsy before for like 2 months. That's why I have 2 bags, but one of them is for my makeup bag, another one is for my toiletries. I will be doing separate videos of these, going in depth of what's in both of these, so you're gonna have to wait for another video to watch these. But yeah, they're smaller than my Clinique bag, as you can see. They're a lot smaller, more compact, but I really like these. I know some of you guys probably don't have like a plethora of these bags, but I just accumulate them, so I'm like, I'm just gonna keep them to use them. But if you guys don't have these bags, you can go out to Target. I know they have some for a couple of dollars for this size. So yeah, this is just how I do it. I just like things differently, just because my makeup bag is different from like my face stuff. I don't know, that's just how I think. So these are going to be the shoes that I'm going to be bringing onto my trips, and I'm going to be putting my sock into here just to store it better. And I think everyone does this. I'm just going to put them in a plastic bag and put it at the bottom of my backpack, just so that it's kind of doesn't dirty up my whole luggage. So just literally put them in. And tie it up just like that. I usually push out all the air just to compress it a little more. But a majority of the time I'm going to be wearing these flip-flops, so I have these out. I'm not going to put this in my backpack just because I'm going to be wearing this when we're going to the trip. So when you're packing, you should always be aware of what outfits to keep like either on top for easy accessibility or like out of your luggage, just so that you can like wear them to go. I'm going to be bringing like electronics because I'm a social media person, so I have my charging cord, and this is for my camera. This doesn't fit in here, but like cords like this. This one's sunglasses case is actually from Erin Condren in the summer subscription box, so I'm gonna be putting this one in here. And then I also have an iPhone. So I'm gonna be putting the chargers in here. Also, just wrap it on up, and it's like stuffed, guys. It is stuffed in here. So I'm just gonna close it on up. Okay, and there it is. It's all inside this little case, and it's all organized so you know where it is. And then I'm gonna be putting these together since they are electronics, so I know exactly where every electronic item is. Lastly, another miscellaneous item is I'm going to be bringing my planner. I did this last year too on my trip, just because I really like to know like my day or my week, since when I get back I have to go straight to work, straight to school. So it's gonna be a little busy. So I'm gonna bring this for my planner. This is my holy grail planner because I love it so much, and my planning pack from Erin Condren. I have a link down below in the bottom bar for Erin Condren. You can get a $10 off your very first purchase, and then it's like a referral link, so I also get the $10 off. So if you guys are interested in joining Erin Condren, then yeah, check out my link. but here's what it looks like. It's all compact together. All my pens are here, and then it just wraps around your planner like this. So here's the bag I'm going to be bringing. This is just a transport backpack by JanSport. I got this from Target like a couple of years ago, but it has a ton of compartments, and I'm just going to show you how I pack it. So I just put the shoes at the bottom just to give it some structure and so it doesn't squish my clothes. And then for the clothes, I just toss everything in. Everything's nice and folded and structured, so I know exactly what everything is. And then it just goes straight in just like that. It goes to the bras so they don't get smushed. Usually for these padded bras, I will just fold it onto itself and then put it in. And again, since, like I said, I put my travel outfit in very last. So it's all stuffed in nice. And that's all for my clothes, so then I just zip that compartment up. And then for electronics, I'm going to be putting everything in this little compartment that I have up here. You can put just like that. And then I'm going to be putting my planner into the very back. This is where the laptop goes, but I'm going to put my planner in here. Now for the last few items, I have these compartments in the front, and I'm going to be putting my toiletry and my makeup bag in here. And then for my dry bag, or my wet bag, I'm going to be putting it into this compartment, and it has a little flap here and also some pockets over here. So I'm just going to put the wet bag just in the back here. It's pretty accessible. And then my bikini stuff right in front of it, just so everything has their place. And yeah, it's all slumped over because the electronics is in here. But yeah, this is all I'm carrying for a 3-day trip. It's not that clunky. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you guys want to see more organization videos / random videos now. I don't know. But yeah, subscribe if you guys want to see more content from me. See you guys next time.